taste of the ocean with a kick of spice that's worth every bite. In this video, we are going to show you how to make a delicious crab okra gumbo brought to you by recipes.net. In a deep pot, add the all-purpose flour and chicken stock, then whisk until evenly incorporated. Add in the okra, crab meat, white onions, garlic, tomatoes, bay leaves, vegetable oil, Tabasco sauce, veal meat, ham, and leeks. Heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Then, add in the shrimps, leeks, parsley, and unsalted butter. Stir and cook for another 5 minutes. After a while, add in the dried thyme and season with salt and ground black pepper to taste. Adjust accordingly. Serve with white rice and chopped parsley before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.